Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install and use the Excel add-in for Marketo by Devart. This powerful tool helps you seamlessly connect and manage your Marketo data directly within Excel. Let's dive in. First, you have to head over to the Devart website to download the Excel add-in for Marketo. You should download and install the add-in on your system. Once the installation is complete, you should open Excel. Click on the Devart tab and select Get Data to set up your data connection. You must enter your domain, client ID, and client secret from your Marketo account. Make sure to test the connection to ensure everything is configured correctly. Next, you should choose the data source object you want to import. For this demonstration, we'll import email data. Select the appropriate object and proceed. Once you've selected your data source, you should see a preview of your data. Take a moment to review and ensure the data looks correct before proceeding. Switch to edit mode to make modifications to your data. This feature lets you instantly edit and refresh your Marketo data within Excel, making data management more efficient. You can make some changes to a few rows to show how easy it is to update your data. Modify any available fields as needed and prepare your data for export. After making your changes, click Commit to update the records in Marketo. The add-in will instantly validate your data and highlight any errors, allowing you to make necessary corrections. And that's it. With the Devart Excel add-in for Marketo, you can import, edit, and commit data seamlessly. Don't forget to download the free 30-day trial from the Devart website and see how it can streamline your data management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.